Ugwuanyi, Ugwuanyi, Ifeanyi,
From inception, inauguration, the mandate of the Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi-led administration has been focused solely on infrastructural development, advancing communities through road network access, tangible empowerment projects with a clear focus on sustainability, as well as other initiatives in the area of healthcare, youth empowerment, education, and other areas of the government. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State has released 2,013 million naira as the local government share of the second tranche of the Paris Club refund for payment of arrears of pensions, gratuity, and other entitlements of retirees and local government staff in the state. Enugu State has recorded the first state in Nigeria to prepare, audit, and publish and circulate her 2016-17 Accountant General's Report, an account within the 6 months requested by the existing laws. Enugu State is among the first states that submitted 5 years audited accounts to Fiscal Registry Commission. Enugu State has recorded first position in Nigeria in the implementation of International Public Sector Accounting Standard, the IPSAS, cash, and third in the preparation for IPSAS. Enugu State also recorded impressive performance in complying with the 22-point Fiscal Sustainability Plan, FSP. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has launched the Government Revenue Automation Project with the aim to plug all loopholes through which government funds seep out to private pockets. Despite the prevailing economic recession that has crippled the running of government at both the federal and state level, Governor Ugwuanyi prides himself as one of the few who has left no stone unturned in judiciously managing the lean resources accruing to the state and has applied the available resources with utmost transparency, equity, and prudence to the administration of the entire state. Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has been paying salaries to all the civil servants every 23rd of the month. He paid the 13th month in 2017. On the IGR in Enugu State, it has increased from 14 billion in 2016 to 18.4 billion in 2017. Here we are at one of his laudable projects. This is a harmful that connects from Enugu State to Ebonyi State and northern Nigeria. As you can see, this is a rehabilitation construction of 4.4 kilometers. Ikem Ehamufu Kalagu Road, issues a local government area, Enugu State. The Ikem Ehamufu Ebonyi State Border Road issues a local government area. This road has been neglected since the past 35 years and serves as a transit route from northern Nigeria through Enugu and Ebonyi states to Cross River and Cameroon. This road has now taken a new look, including the Ebonyi Bridge, which collapsed and crippled commercial activities within the area. Amazing construction going on everywhere in Enugu State. As you can see now, this is the Ebonyi Bridge being constructed. This is part of the Ikem Ehamufu Issues a Local Government Area Road, being done by His Excellency Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi.
We thank God, say, thank God, don't enter. For 2019, Ugwuanyi go do more better.
I'm gonna give mama His Excellency Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Odi Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Chilai Gabaniru. I grew by the Kukinazo. Kemaka Barrister Mrs. Olangwa Ezekwu. Oyumo Wenye, one Neziako. Tugo Zelum Ginem Gabaniru. I Kukinazo. Ndi Enugu State in Diaspora and Aforo.
On the site where we are now, this is the Afro Amori in Kano West Road. This road has not been touched on. There has been no administration that had come in here and done this road. In fact, for the past 100 years, nothing has been done here. In the urban area, our amiable governor has done marvelously well in the area of road construction. The ever chaotic and dilapidated Ugwuanyi Linda, Maryland, Kenyatta, Timber Shade Market Junction, Acharalea Road in Enugu South Local Government area has been constructed, thereby decongesting traffic around this area.
A road never to back up for 35 years. Gabani, Chila Gaba, I am going to answer. Uncle Zeba Qatar in Dolo. In our Kukono, the Kuama Baptist month. Christmas bonus. Hey, Ugwuanyi.
Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has been able to restore Ndi Enugu's faith in the area of all-inclusive and equitable governance as symbolized by his giant stride in empowering 472 autonomous communities in Enugu State with 10 million naira per community for their initiated project through the One Autonomous Community, One Project program. His Excellency has completed the distribution of the first and second tranche of 5 million naira each to every autonomous community in Enugu State for community development. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi's battle against poverty and underdevelopment has given impetus to his brainchild initiative, the Enugu State Market Traders Empowerment Scheme, fashioned to give a lifeline to market traders through a monthly raffle draw. This scheme is now in a repackaged second phase where 100 traders will win 50,000 naira per month as against the first phase that had 50 traders winning in a month. His administration also set up funds through the Enugu SME Center to help provide support for entrepreneurs, allied workers, and unemployed youths of Enugu State by making them productively engaged. The Enugu State SME Center has empowered over 25,000 small and medium enterprise owners, which include women and the youth. Governor Ugwuanyi has empowered 750 graduates of the Sustainable Development Gold Skill Acquisition Program in Enugu State with a seed money of 100,000 naira each to enable them start up a new business. Enugu State Government, under the dynamic leadership of Governor Ugwuanyi, has in a bid to provide quality healthcare system to her citizens embarked on rapid infrastructural intervention program where many of the primary healthcare centers and all the district hospitals in the 3 senatorial zones of the state are being upgraded and equipped to see to the health needs of people at the grassroots level. For example, the Polyclinic and Udi Clinic District Hospital that is nearing completion. There's also the mention of the basic midwifery re-accreditation, which has not been done in the past 12 years. The Enugu State Medical Diagnostic Center, which was under construction at the inception of the present administration, is nearing completion. There has been free maternal and infant healthcare services ongoing and accessible in the state. Enugu State Government has released the sum of 294 million for the implementation of the Save 1 Million Lives grassroots healthcare program. This has been designed in 5 components, namely immunization, malaria control, safe motherhood, family planning and nutrition, with special focus on mothers and children residing in the rural areas. Remarkably, the World Health Organization recently commended Governor Ugwuanyi for the rapid advancement in primary health care system in the state through his vision and provision of qualitative and affordable health care delivery within the state and local government areas. In the area of job creation, Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has under the Enugu State Universal Basic Education Board, the Post-Primary School Management Board, and the State Science, Technical and Vocational Education Management Board recruited over 4,000 primary and secondary school teachers in the state. This administration has also created jobs for 1,000 youths in the state through the Enugu Clean Team project. In his commitment to effective independent judiciary, Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi has made access to justice in Enugu State easy through the establishment and maintenance of the Citizens' Rights and Mediation Center in all the 70 local government areas of the state. Just recently, he commissioned the construction of the building that would house the State Customary Court of Appeal. This administration has created 9 new customary courts, established multi-door court houses, constructed a high court complex at our home in Ojebo Ogene Development Center in Udi local government area, and is currently renovating and equipping some of the magistrate and customary court halls in the state. To improve access to quality education for her citizens, the Enugu State Government is through the 2017-2018 counterpart funding with the Universal Basic Education Board constructing, renovating and equipping over 51 primary classroom blocks in all the 17 local government areas of the state. Also, infrastructural upgrade of several secondary schools in the state is currently receiving prompt attention. Governor Ugwuanyi's administration has done a lot in the area of humanitarian intervention. Recently, 95 widows of fallen heroes in the 82 Division and 103 battalions of the Nigerian Army Enugu received a 200,000 each to ameliorate the hardship being faced by them. Compassionate and warm welcome of Libya returnees with comprehensive health check and treatment in collaboration with Enugu State Emergency Management Agency (ENSEMA). His Excellency, our amiable governor, has embarked on the reconstruction of 72 shops destroyed by fire at the Kenyatta Timber Market, Enugu, and have embarked on the construction and establishment of ultra-modern fire service stations strategically located around the 3 senatorial zones of the state. Governor Ugwuanyi administration has remained committed to numerous state agriculture development projects such as Appeals, AADS, Enugu Rice Project, Ose Nsuka Project, Anchor Borers Program, and the Oil Palm Seedling Project. There has been renovation of the building and housing of the State Ministry of Agriculture. Governor Ugwuanyi has injected over 165 million naira for emergency rehabilitation of Ajali and Oji River water treatment schemes. Enugu State Government has approved 300 million naira for the construction and rehabilitation of over 82 boreholes in different rural communities of the state. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi of Enugu State lights up new market roundabout Aguabo Interchange Slip Federal Road, Enugu, with solar energy light. Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi-led administration has set the pace in helping to resolve the issue of transmission access line acquisition, which stalled the progress of work for 11 years at the 30 MVA injection substation in Nsukka. Ndi Enugu, Ndi Diaspora. As you can see, His Excellency Right Honorable Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi continues to work to make Enugu State better. It is of a fact that Enugu is truly in the hands of God. You can catch up on all the wonderful activities going on in Enugu State by tuning into the Enugu Diaspora on our YouTube channel, our Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and we look forward to seeing you again. Ndi Enugu State Diaspora Dalo. All my new nala in our full like